2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. In fact, they are uncountable. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Do you know why I'm showing you this? Because I want to talk about how you can attract money for real. I am not joking. Am I smiling this time around? I'm not smiling. I've been showing you things, you don't want to do it. Yes, you watch my video, you keep it down. Today I want to talk to us again about how you can use cinnamon bath. Okay, cinnamon bath. Yes, let me show you my cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder. If you don't have cinnamon powder, use cinnamon stick. Okay, cinnamon bath. I have several used bottles already of cinnamon that I use. So see, when we come here to tell you something, we are not just coming here to just cut and paste to tell you what we feel. Somebody said so and so let us also come and talk about it. No, it's not like that. This is real. Okay, how to attract money? Yes, using cinnamon powder. But you know, in spirituality, for you to achieve something, you just have to know, number one, is your intention. Okay? What is your intention? What is your intention? If this is your intention, this is what you want to attract, you will get it. I'm telling you, you will get it. This is just, I think this is 500. This is 80, and so on and so forth. I have $1 here. Yeah, I have them here. So, you see, this is real. I am serious. See, we've been talking about cinnamon this, cinnamon that, how to attract wealth using cinnamon. You burn cinnamon in your house, you do this and that. You add cinnamon to oil, favor oil, to rub on your body. But now, I have come to tell you the main otumokbo, the real thing, the real ginger. Yes. See, cinnamon bath works like this. Okay? So, are you broke? Are you out of job? Are you looking for something and you've not laid your hands on that thing? Especially if the name of that thing is money, don't worry. Okay? The solution has come today. How do we do this to get results? That is what this video is all about. Because if it's just for you to just go and use cinnamon bath, I would not even come here to start organizing a video. Rub foundation on my face, rub lipstick, and come and be talking to you. No, I will just see it as a casual waka pass in one of my videos. But this is serious, and that is why I brought the proceed, I brought the substance to show you. Okay, so that you will know, what I am saying. You should know that I am serious. So guys, now how do we do this cinnamon bath to attract money into our lives? Yes, I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
from that timeout. Let me do my eye for you. Levels, you're welcome back from that timeout. Okay, so now to achieve maximum result in spirituality, the first thing that you need to have is focus. That is vision, mission. Okay, if you have mission, you have vision. Let me say, you have vision, you have mission. Okay, in your heart, and you know what you want, you will get it. See, I feel like shouting because there is a way that God has arranged things for us. But the problem is that we lack knowledge and we are living in ignorance. So there are so many things. Apart from this one, I am uploading another video again to show you another thing that you can use apart from cinnamon powder. Okay, so you watch it again for my next video. All right, so today. All right, now how do you use it? Number one, the kind of water you are going to use cinnamon powder to attract oya money is not like the normal water you used to beat. Okay, this one, what you need to do is get either silver pot, yes, silver pot, or aluminum, should I say aluminum pot or silver pot, something that is silverish in color. Okay, something that is silver like this. You know, most of the pots that we use, they are all aluminum pot or something like that. Although we have non-stick pot. If you have non-stick pot in your house, please try and get something, even if it's very small like this. Okay, remember, in spirituality, if you add something to something, it becomes that thing. So even if it is this one, you put on your gas burner. Okay, put water inside. When you put water inside, then put it on fire. Then take your cinnamon powder. Take your cinnamon powder. Okay, there is, I always tell us that there is what we call precision in spirituality. Precision is very, very important. Now, you are going to take this with your middle finger like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me shout it. 7 times. Okay, so once that is done, then you will put it on fire, let it boil. Start boiling, you know, let it boil, let it get to 100 degrees centigrade. As it has boiled, then take it to your bathroom. If you have a big pot, congratulations, it's even better. Yes, now go and carry the big pot, put it on fire, put it 7 times, just a pinch, 7 times. Okay, a pinch with your middle finger. Okay, like this, 7 times. So pour it in your bucket of water and use it to beat. You do this thing for 7 days and wait and see. Just watch and see. But I am not telling you that if you are lying down at home, you are not doing anything, you are not doing business, you are not doing anything, and then you will do this and then you expect money to appear under your pillow. It will not work like that. Double your hustle. Okay, double your hustle. Whatever that you are doing for a living, increase your effort. Okay, if you are in debt, you will begin to see that your debts are beginning to be write off. You understand? Your whatever it is that makes you to be financially indebted, financially incapacitated, all those things that will ease off, and you begin to see money coming together in your life, in your account, in your pocket, in your wallet, in your purse. Yes. So guys, I don't want to talk too much on this particular one. I want this video to be very brief and very, very small so that you can watch it. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe to my channel. Just click on the subscribe button and let us be making sense together. Okay, so guys, please see you again in our next video. I upload 2 videos on daily basis. Please endeavor to watch my video. Thank you and God bless. One peace, one family, levels.